Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the age-old debate, artificial grass versus natural grass. If you're considering a green transformation for your lawn or sports field, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you through the key factors to consider when choosing between artificial grass and natural grass. Let's get started. Artificial grass, also known as synthetic turf, has gained immense popularity in recent years. Its low maintenance requirements and consistently attractive appearance have made it a top choice for many. However, natural grass has its own unique appeal, providing a lush and natural environment. Let's begin by comparing the cost of these two options. Step 1. Cost comparison. When it comes to cost, artificial grass requires a higher upfront investment. The materials used and the installation process contribute to this initial expense. With minimal maintenance and no watering requirements, it can reduce your overall expenses. On the other hand, natural grass is cheaper to install initially but requires ongoing maintenance, including watering, fertilization, and regular mowing. Step 2. Maintenance and durability. Artificial grass requires minimal maintenance. It doesn't need mowing, watering, or fertilization. Additionally, it can withstand heavy foot traffic without wearing down. Natural grass, while it requires regular maintenance, provides a more traditional and natural look. However, it may suffer from issues like bare patches, weed growth, and insect infestations. Step 3. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of your choice is worth considering. Artificial grass doesn't require pesticides or herbicides, reducing chemical usage. It also eliminates the need for water, making it a water-efficient option. Natural grass, while requiring more water, is a natural and biodegradable option. Step 4. Aesthetics and feel. The aesthetics and feel of your outdoor space play a significant role in your decision-making. Artificial grass offers a consistently green and pristine appearance throughout the year. It can provide a well-manicured and neat look. On the other hand, natural grass offers a more organic and vibrant look. It provides a softer feel underfoot and a more natural experience. Step 5. Versatility and usage. Artificial grass is highly versatile and can be used in various applications, including residential lawns, sports fields, and commercial areas. Its durability makes it ideal for heavy usage. Natural grass is also suitable for most applications, but it may require additional maintenance and recovery time after heavy use, especially in sports fields. There you have it, a comprehensive comparison of artificial grass and natural grass. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to make an informed choice.